Hey friend, you look tired. Have some fruits.
Thank you. I was so hungry.
We can be friends!
Yes, I would love that.
Wow, look how fast we're going! It's beautiful up ahead. Wow, these are so sweet. If the fruits are this sweet, the monkey's heart must be sweeter.
Bring me the monkey's heart.
But he is my friend. Hey friend, you look tired. Have some fruits.
Thank you. I was so hungry.
I must tell you the truth. My wife wants your heart.
What? What? My heart?
Oh.
I forgot my heart in the tree.
You left it there?
Foolish crocodile. No one lives without a heart. Because of your betrayal, you lost a true friend.
Never betray your friends. Greed brings loss. Use your mind in danger. True friendship is precious. Do not be selfish.